Hey y'all, it's Zion Kim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to teach y'all how to do 2-strand twists. A lot of people have been asking me, so I'm going to show y'all exactly what I use and how I do it. And I'm going to show y'all how to have a perfect twist out. So let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to do is wash our hair. And I'm going to show y'all what I use to wash my hair. Bow. This is what I use. I'm not a person that does the most over shampoo and conditioner because to me, I don't think it's that serious, so I just use whatever I have, but this is it. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair and condition it, which is what y'all should be doing right now, and then come back to this video. So let's get it. Alright y'all, so I just washed my hair, so let's go ahead and take this bad boy off. Woo. Wow. So, this is what we had to work with, okay? So let's get started. For the products, I'm about to insert a clip of everything that you need or what I use. You can substitute it with the stuff that you use, but what I do recommend you use out of everything is Cream of Nature. This stuff right here is magic. But other than that, let me show y'all what else y'all need. To start this off, y'all, we're gonna section up.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
To start this off, y'all, we're gonna section our hair. So, normally I section the front because I have bangs. Then, I do the sides. And then I just do the back. So, let me section this off and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I got my hair section. I normally start from the back and then come to the front. So, I'm going to show y'all exactly how I twist the back. And then I'm going to show y'all how I twist the sides and then the top. Hopefully, if y'all really struggle with this, hopefully I can help you get some clarification on how to do it. But let's get it. So right now I'm just putting on my detangler. It's called Not On My Watch by Aunt Jackie's. I do that just so my hair won't have any knots in it. Now I'm putting on my Aunt Jackie's Curl Ala. This is a Don't Shrink gel. Now I'm brushing with my dimming brush to make sure all the products are distributed equally in my hair. Now this is optional. This is just foam. You can use it if you want. It's not mandatory though. To twist your hair, you're going to separate your parts into two pieces and you're going to twist your right part over your left part, your right part over your left part, your right part over your left part, and then just repeat. so I'm literally on my last part. This took me about an hour and a half for all these 3 sections, so I'm about to finish off this last bit. You know, not too much, so. I do want to tell y'all this. I'm using the Cream of Nature in the front. I normally use this around my whole head, but as you can see, I really don't have none left. I have to restock. One day Cream of Nature will sponsor me, but I'm gonna use the last bit that I have for the front, so. I'm gonna try to give y'all a better look on doing a 2-strand twist. So after you put your product in, because I just put mine in, get you a good size. Put the rest to the side. Get 2 pieces. Cross over. Do it again. Cross over. Cross over. Do it again. Just cross over. All you're doing is taking your left strand, crossing it over your right. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm finished. I'm about to go style it and lay my edges down. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope I helped some of y'all figure out how to twist hair. If you did like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. If my video actually helped some of y'all, can y'all take a picture and send it to my DM? That would be very much appreciated. So some of these products I didn't use, but it varies when I do my hair. Like the hair mask, for instance, I didn't feel the need to use it this time. I only use that occasionally. But yeah, thank you guys. I'll see y'all next time.